my perception turned out to be very different from what I was expecting. My name is Ayo. I'm from Nigeria and I studied Bioservices Management in Ebusvada University for Sustainable Development. Back in my country, everyone just had this belief. I actually don't know where it came from, but everybody just had this belief that Germans are racist. But when I got to Germany, it was a different case where most people were actually very friendly, except some group of people. And even in my university, it's stated in one of the rules that if you had such experience or if you have this experience with people, you should report it, and then they would take it up from there, which is very amazing for me. In conclusion, my perception turned out to be very different from what I was expecting, and I am really happy to be here because a lot of people seem very friendly.